Welcome to the crop protection simulation. In this simulation, you will determine the most efficient method of pest control to protect your crops. To begin the simulation, click on the Sim tab. In the beginning of the simulation, you are presented with a control panel in your tractor from which you can decide how to protect your crops. At the bottom left of the control panel is a calendar that shows what season you are currently in. Next to this is a warning that advises you of what type of pest is attacking your crop. In this case, it is the fall armyworm. Clicking on the picture of the pest will bring up a clipboard that gives you information about it, telling you what danger the pest poses, its current population, the best pesticide to use against it, and its pesticide resistance. Click anywhere to close this window when you are done. After you've viewed the information about the pest, click the Choose Defense button to choose what methods you will use to eradicate the pest. Please note that you have a choice of liquid or granular forms of each pesticide. Select the pesticide you wish to use by clicking the appropriate checkbox. In this case, I will use the liquid form of permethrin. Below the pesticide choices are the biological controls that you can choose to employ. In this case, I will use the wasp parasitoid. If you wish to change which method of control you've chosen, simply click the box again to erase the check. When you have chosen which methods of control you wish to use, click the Done button. After you have chosen your defenses, click the Submit button to advance to the next stage. Please note that the quality meter on the right of the control panel changes to reflect the quality of your crop. You may change which defenses you use before any stage. To do so, simply click the Choose Defense button and add or subtract different controls. In this case, I will stop using liquid permethrin and use the granular form instead. Once you have verified which controls you wish to use, click the Done button and then click Submit. Continue this process until you have reached the harvest phase. Please note that you can click the history icon at any time to see graphs that show your crop size and quality, insect population, and the amount of pesticide in the soil. When you are done viewing the graph, click the Back button to return to the control panel. Once you have completed the simulation, click the Reset button to begin again.